Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. Class 11, Accountancy. Today we are going to see how to pass journal entries by using modern classification of accounts. Okay. Sum number 2 in your exercise. Enter the following transactions in the journal of Ram. So first we have to write in the books of Ram journal. We'll use this for date column. Particulars. Ledger folio. Debit rupees, credit rupees. Now, on 2020, June 1st, Ram invested capital in cash rupees 1 lakh. So, we'll write the date first. On June 1st, Ram invested capital in cash. So, here the accounts involved in this transaction are two, that is cash account and capital account. Cash account has increased in the business. So when cash increases, we have to debit it. Okay. So cash account debit, and the other account involved here is capital, and capital increase has to be credited to capital account, and the amount is 1 lakh. Now what is the narration for this? Being cash introduced as capital. Okay. Next, on June 3rd, purchased goods from Harish. On June 3rd, we have purchased goods from Harish. So the accounts involved here is the creditor account Harish, and the other account is purchases. Purchases account is of expense in nature. So the increase of expense has to be debited. So purchases account debit to creditor increase has to be credited to Harish. Okay. The amount is 10,000. Now, narration. Being goods purchased on credit. Okay. Next is on June 5th, purchased goods for cash rupees 8,000. So here the accounts involved are the purchases account and the cash account. Purchases is of the same nature, expense increase has to be debited, and on the other hand we have paid in cash, so cash in the business has decreased, so we have to credit cash account. Okay, so purchases account debit to cash account, and the amount is rupees 8,000. Okay, and write the narration as being goods purchased on cash. Right. Next. On June 8th, purchased goods from Mohit for cash. Okay. So on June 8th, we have purchased goods from Mohit but for cash. So here also we have the accounts that is cash account and purchases account involved. So purchases account has to be debited and cash has decreased, so it has to be credited. Okay, and the amount is 7,000. Being goods purchased for cash. Okay, next is sold goods to Kailash on credit. So we have sold goods to Kailash, and this sales made is a credit sales as given in the question. Okay, so the accounts involved are the debtor account and sales account. Sales account belongs to revenue, so revenue increase has to be credited, and debtor is an asset, so this asset increase has to be debited. Okay, so on June 10th, the debtor here is Kailash, so debit Kailash, and sales account is credited. Okay, the amount is 2,000. May credit sales made. Okay, next on June 12th, sold goods to Nadeem for cash. June 12th, we have made sales only here also, but this is a cash sales. Okay, so the cash in the business has increased, cash has come in, and cash has increased, so asset increase has to be debited. That's why cash account has to be debited. And sales, of course, it's a revenue, so increase in revenue has to be credited. The amount is 1,500. May cash sales made. Okay, then on June 14th, goods returned by Kailash. June 14th, goods returned by Kailash of worth 500 rupees. So goods can be returned in case if the goods are defective, or if the quality is not up to the standard as shown in samples. So because of these reasons, goods can be returned. Okay, so Kailash has returned goods. So here, as the goods are returning from out of sales, it is called a sales return. And sales return has to be debited. And here, Kailash, the asset is decreasing. Okay, because whatever is the goods returned by Kailash, he need not pay for it, isn't it? So as a debtor in our books, his account decreases. So that is why his account is credited, and he returned goods of worth 500. Being goods returned. Okay, next on June 16th, goods returned to Harish. So like how we got our goods returned, same way the goods which were purchased by us can also be returned. Okay, so this is purchases return. So this purchases return reduces the expense, so it has to be credited. And Harish, our creditor, even creditor is decreasing here because we need not pay this much amount to him. Okay, so Harish, debit to purchases return account. Okay, and the amount is 360 rupees. Here we are returning our goods. Okay. Next is on June 18th, machinery purchased from Sohan. So here we are purchasing an asset. So the asset which is increasing has to be debited. That is machinery account has to be debited. Two, we are purchasing it from Sohan. So it means when the name is given, it is a credit transaction. So our creditor is increasing. So credit the creditor account. Amount is rupees 8,000. Okay. Being machinery purchased on credit. Okay. Next, on June 19th, paid to Harish on account. June 19th, we have paid amount to Harish. Okay. We are supposed to pay Harish 10,000 and here we are paying only 5,000. So Harish is the creditor account. We are decreasing. Here we are paying 5,000 to Harish. So our creditor account is decreasing here. So it has to be debited. So Harish debit to, we are paying by cash. So cash also decreases. Asset decrease has to be credited. So 5,000. Being cash paid on account. Okay. Next, on June 25th, cash withdrawn for personal use. Okay. So cash withdrawn for personal use is drawings. So drawings has to be, this account has to be debited as it decreases the capital. And the proprietor has withdrawn cash. So this asset decrease has to be credited. Okay. So cash withdrawn for personal use, rupees 5,000. Being cash withdrawn. Right? Next. On June 30th, we have sold our old newspapers for rupees 200. So we have received cash by selling our old newspapers. So debit cash account to old newspapers account. Okay, rupees 200. And mention in the narration that being old newspapers sold. Right? Then on the same day, we have received a loan from Mohan and deposited it in our bank. So bank account will increase. So debit bank account, and from Mohan, we have received a loan which is a liability. So loan from Mohan account has to be credited. And the amount which we have received is rupees 50,000. So mention in the narration that being loan received from Mohan. Okay. Now, today we have seen how to pass journal entries using modern classification of accounts. Please subscribe our channel to get the latest updates on our online lessons. Thank you.